Smile. Oh, she's looking beautiful. Minus this one for a 10. It's quite thin.
This boat had Coppercoat on from new 13 years ago. And of course after 13 years it needed redoing, so we've sanded the existing Coppercoat back, and now we're applying a new Coppercoat treatment of 5 coats, which will give it another 10 or 15 years security with antifouling. So the owner's very happy with it, and I think he'll be very happy when he sees that it's all come on nicely, smoothly, the hull's good, and no major problems. On the keel you'll see that there are a few little problems. It's an iron keel, and there was some corrosion on there. So what we've done is we're treating that with epoxy primers and epoxy filler before we Coppercoat it, which we'll do next week. We've polished the hull and brought the shine back to it, which will keep it nice and clean. And we're also in the process of doing some gel coat repairs on the bow. Little about the scars that have arrived, and the owner will be pleased when they're disappeared.